As we are waiting now for our hotel room to be ready for us, we sat down here in a coffee, get a banh mi with egg for both of us.
Traditional sandwich in Vietnam.
Yes, and some coconut coffee and cappuccino. Bon appetit!
Thank you.
We're having more than 2 hours still till we can check in our hotel.
Yes, by the way, free toilet.
Toilets here.
The street. It's important for tourists, I wanna say.
Yes. So we are checking out the area around our hotel and walk a little bit around. Guys, check this view out. Directly at the lake. All the little coffees directly here.
Do you see everywhere so pretty graffiti?
Yes, it's colorful city, not like Da Nang. I would say definitely it's a little bit different already. It has its own flavor.
So pretty streets. Good vibe, colored.
Yes, really colorful. Man who's fishing here.
It's so funny, car.
So small, right? Look at this view. My lady.
Yes, we found vintage store.
Her
So
favorite.
pretty shoes and Japan and Italian.
Her favorite thing to do. Checking out stores with shoes and bags.
Yes, but unfortunately not my size.
Not your size. It's so beautiful shop.
They is so close for our area where our hotel building where lived Ho Chi Minh.
Okay.
We can
Maybe.
visit.
We should visit. For you guys who don't know it, Ho Chi Minh is one of the most important people of the Vietnam history, who was the leadership basically of the Vietnamese War
Yes.
with America, and he's all around the country. He's on every picture on the money here on the dong. So yes, we should maybe.
Yes, we check our maps now. Maybe we will come back with, I don't know.
Yes. And check it out. It's quite normal that people are sleeping here
Yes.
everywhere, but it's totally safe. Vietnamese people are just way more relaxed than we are in Europe.
Yes, look everywhere.
Sleeping everywhere, drinking coffee everywhere. Just take your time in life.
It was surprised for us when we first time see it, when we was coming to some store, grocery store, and local people sleep.
Yes.
So good.
It's always so funny when security men in front of like hotels or something
Everywhere.
sit in front, sleep, or just smoke cigarettes the whole day.
Yes.
It's
yes.
so comfortable job.
It's not clients, everybody, local people will sleep definitely.
Yes.
Market, supermarket, restaurant, doesn't matter. Use every opportunity.
Yes, if there's no customers, just sleep.
Yes.
So we just arrived at our hotel room.
I didn't see before because Hanoi booked without me, and it was a surprise for me. It's really a surprise because we have so good apartment. I thought maybe it was like small little room in the hotel, but this something different.
Okay, and guys, check it out. I will show you around. We will have here our living room with television,
Kitchen.
fully included kitchen, our table to eat something, outside balcony
Washing
with
machine.
washing machine. Then we have here our bathroom and our sleeping room.
Yes.
Honey, do you like it?
Yes, it's a simple apartment, but it's so clean, pretty, everything is for us.
It's bigger than our last apartment, and for a hotel, definitely.
Yes,
very
like
good.
this, yes.
So we will take you around Hanoi later again. See you.
To you.
Hello guys.
Hello.
We are getting now on a walk for around 20 minutes, 40 minutes to
French area where a lot of so pretty building and opera.
Yes, the Opera Theater. We are going to walk there now. We take you on the journey with us.
Yes, we live in so good area. It's like old downtown where a lot of pretty small local streets. It's comfortable for us. We can walk in without bike, without order taxi.
We don't really need any transportation. We can just walk everywhere.
Yes.
Even this 40 minutes seems a little bit long, but we are only a few days here in Hanoi, so we want to see as much as possible. It's just more easy to walk.
Yes. So funny place, only 2 space for people. We ordered
My favorite drink, at least.
Vietnamese traditional salt
Salted
coffee.
coffee.
Yes. Yeah, on the 2 small chairs. And we enjoying.
I love it. It's just cute little things here in Vietnam. You just sit on a random place, enjoy some good cold coffee, relax a little bit on the middle of the road, and just enjoy the life.
Yes, and we are talking about how we will miss him after we will leave
Yes.
Vietnam.
Especially salted coffee for me. I will never get anywhere else so far. I never saw it before, especially only here in Vietnam. But it's my favorite.
Vietnam definitely will be in our hearts. And we talk about how we visit almost all countries, small Phu Quoc Island,
Yes.
Da Nang, it's middle space from country and Hanoi.
And soon we are heading to the next country.
And next town.
Yes, we will let you know and let you see. Hello guys, so we just made a little stop at the Hoa Binh Park. I need to use Google Maps.
So pretty
And
the
for
lake.
sure didn't say it correctly anyway, so yeah, we're going to make a little stop here. Punch. We will travel around the park here and enjoy the atmosphere. So currently there's also a temple behind us, but you have to buy tickets and we don't have the time to do that today. So we are just going to walk around the area and enjoy it directly here at the lake.
By the way, in Hanoi too much warm and hot.
It's really hot right now, more than in Da Nang.
See
At
the
least.
rain.
The feeling is like that, yes. Look at this.
So pretty place, so pretty town. I like Hanoi so much. A lot of cute streets.
All is green. It's more green than in Da Nang.
Yes.
Everywhere plantation and trees.
And we can walk because in Da Nang was so difficult. There's not road for walking.
Yes. There was all the time everything full with scooters, so it was not that easy to walk around Da Nang. Here it's more comfortable.
Wow,
So
flowers.
we are going to enjoy that walking around here. What I recognize and you usually see in Da Nang parks is a lot of women or groups training outside making sports. So far I didn't see that here.
Yes.
So it's definitely a big difference. Da Nang is much more active with the people.
Where? Da Nang?
Yes.
But yesterday we saw a little bit in the park in our area.
People training?
Yes.
Yes, on the gym machines.
Yes.
But not like groups dancing or something like this.
Because in Da Nang there is so huge beaches area.
Yes.
That's why in Da Nang I said there is so huge beaches area around the sea. A lot of people make exercise.
Yes. And here it's not so really common.
Look, island inside lake.
Like a little temple.
Oh, maybe I actually wanna throw up.
Why you wanna throw up? I don't understand.
That's too much hot for me.
Too much hot. So for me, I will probably stay my whole life around Russia and what else is really cold, like the North Pole, the South Pole, Antarctica, to have a cold weather for my Hanich. Of course, if it's too warm, she's going to throw up.
Yes, it's too much for me. I already don't feel my power.
But guys, she wanna go to the Maldives with me. What we are going to do there? Only throw up.
Where, Maldives?
Yes.
So comfortable.
It's more warm.
No, Maldives, it's, frankly speaking, it's not my dream. But Cuba, Dominicana,
Margaritas.
and salsa,
Yes.
it's my dream.
Okay, and tequila.
Caribbean Sea, oh my
Okay.
god.
So Cuba, if you see this video, the country Cuba, you can invite us. We will come for free, definitely. But yes, noted. We will definitely check out Cuba one day with you guys together.
Definitely.
So my Hanchka spotted something here after the park. We will go
We
to
will
the
visit Gucci right now.
Gucci, the Tran Quoc Plaza. Let's go to a mall, get some air conditioner in our face, cool down, maybe some fresh juice or something. Let's check it out together. Dolce Gabbana, Blueberry. Definitely something with all the luxury stores.
Maybe Cartier for me. We got to
Cartier?
check.
I don't know what you mean. Guys, can you help me what she means with this sign? I'm clueless.
You know, guys, I found already in Istanbul my favorite.
Oh yes,
ring.
she found. How much did it cost? In euro.
45,000.
45,000 euros.
It was so funny.
Maybe everyone else out there can help me to get super famous that I can buy my Hanchka 45,000 euro ring. Of course, she said. Honey, what do we do to get famous?
we already famous bloggers?
We're going to be famous bloggers. Anichka, I buy you a ring for 45,000 and you buy me a Rolex for 450,000.
Okay, you can choose.
I can choose. What are we going to get? The Daytona Classic.
Found some traditional food.
Traditional Vietnamese donuts.
Donuts, traditional. Be careful, my love. Oh, yoy. Show inside.
Come on.
Inside.
Thank you.
Taste it?
You wanna try too?
No.
No?
I'm too much sweaty, too much hot. No, I wanna try, of course. It's sweet. Maybe.
So, Anichka, where are we going now?
We're going so famous Train Street where train driving so close to people.
Yes, we are going to the famous Train Street in Hanoi. Walking there right now, we will be 10 more minutes walking through a little alley here. All the little shops and restaurants. And we'll try to experience the coffee and train experience here.
But I hope we will see, maybe not right now, maybe time.
We will see, yes. We will definitely see. If not, we just sit down, drink one more coffee and head back home.
Guys, I almost die. Guys, I'm so wet right now.
You're feeling so bad right now?
Wet,
Wet?
wet.
Wet? I think you can see I'm sweaty as well. Walking down the tourist areas here. Right and left side only restaurants and foot massage and people who try to sell something to you. So yes, a couple more minutes and we are finally at the train street.
We arrived to Train Street. A lot of tourists. You can show it like table and train road.
Yes. So for now, Hanich, we are walking back home.
Yes, 30 minutes we will walk right now, and really we like tourists today. Only walking.
Yes, we missed the train by just a little bit of time. The next train would be all in 3 hours.
Yes.
So we are going to skip this today and maybe come back tomorrow If not, we saw the place, we saw the area.
Yeah.
That's also okay. Walk through the city.
I'm so like Hanoi because we really can walk here a lot of space.
Yes.
Hello guys, now we are preparing because our follower recommended for us local restaurant. Yes, local restaurant where is so good for bo. For bo, it's noodles soup. Yes. Traditional Vietnamese soup, noodles with beef, maybe, I don't know. And now we will go and found and try this location. Thank you so much for recommended our followers. We read and check every comment in TikTok and YouTube too, and try answer everybody.
Yes, it's actually for Thailand, stir-fried beef with noodles. And the place is called Pho Hui. So we're going to walk there right now. And Hui is a very funny word in Russian for all the people around the world. That's why she's laughing right now.
It's a better word.
Anyways, we are going on a walk right now.
Going to our location.
What was the name again, Hanichka?
Going to our location, but
What?
not our followers recommended, where we will try so good for bo.
Yes, almost Phobo. What was the name of the location again? The restaurant.
Sorry, I don't remember.
I can tell you. Pho Hui.
Okay.
So we finally found one place where they work out here. Like everywhere in Da Nang. Honey, where are we right now?
Yes, our store.
We just arrived. Hui 67.
We already ordered.
And here we are now at Pho Hui. We ordered for Thailand, like the TikTok user commented under our pictures.
So pretty.
Let's give it a try.
So huge plate. So funny restaurant. Small room. So tasty. So tasty noodles. Its name.
For Thailand.
Let's name this place Pho Hui 67. Almost finished. Honey finish. What you wanna say?
Amazing, really tasty. So good.
Yes, I wanna say the same because it was really so tasty, but for me it's so huge plate.
I will eat the rest of your plate.
Interesting, how much? Didn't ask. Read for Sebastian. It's my food.
I always have more than enough to eat because Lisa never eats her portion. So yes, it's enough after she finished.
Lime here. Chili. You already can eat. Main and edges. 100, okay. 100. They cook outside. So funny. Honey, so funny. Like this. And you eat inside. Thank you for recommendation, our followers. It's so interesting.
So, here, our story started in Vietnam, Phuoc Island.
It's so
Then we went all the way up
Da
to
Nang.
Da Nang. And now we are completely on the top of Hanoi.
And by the way, Honey make for me surprise.
Yes, we
Surprise,
stopped by
surprise.
at a spa spot for now, getting 1 hour massage.
Look so pretty.
Looks amazing here. You always have to check out spa spots when you are in Vietnam.
Everywhere where we visit country, everywhere we visit Istanbul,
Bangkok,
Bangkok, yes, Thailand, I mean Vietnam, everywhere
Yes.
it's our traditional.
Just stop by.
And usually last day when we visit country, last day we visit spa. But today, Honey make for me.
Yes, we're walking so much here, and I think we deserved us some good treatment and relaxation.
Almost 20,000 steps today.
Yes, today was a hard day, walked a lot around, and yeah, we're going to take you on the spa journey today too.
So much massage now.
Yes.
I pretty cool.
First, when we arrive in a spa here in Vietnam, you will always get sit down first, relax a little bit, get warm water, clean your feet, and then go to the next room where the massage is really starting.
And together, guys, I really like together visit massage. It's like together spend time. It's we start closer. It's so good idea
Yes,
for couple.
definitely. You should always hook up some relaxation spa time with your love. It makes everything easier for both of sides.
Now we are after our massage. It was amazing.
Yes, so good. So well performed, just like this.
1 hour with oil, relax it and enjoy.
Yes, everything is now working again. I got a full stretch. She stretched me all the way. I think you didn't get it, but I got
No, I know.
everything cracked and chuck.
Yes, and now we're again seated. Why? Because we order juice and banh mi.
Because who's hungry? Still.
It's like this. We're going to walk, or we go to home. And so this woman ordered for us.
And that easy it is. You get something to drink, something to eat.
This is just simple street. A lot of people sit down here like we and waiting. It's Vietnam, it's Hanoi. Oh, so pretty woman, look.
Guys, today we are going to the Vietnamese Prison Museum. going to take my Hanchka inside and maybe leave her there, who knows?
Because Sebastian's so bad guy.
I'm the bad guy, who knows? Maybe.
One ticket, it's 50,000. It's like almost €2.
Going to buy tickets and get inside.
Yes. So pretty area. I think it's place with bad energy, and story of course is experience. We will see. This prison was constructed by the French
Yes. Tell me more, honey.
colonialist, I don't know.
So you can read it here yourself if you wanna. We tried.
Yes.
Honey, how do you feel in the first 10 minutes here in the museum?
But of course it's like
Bad vibe, negative vibe, of course. We first saw the first cell where the prisoners were inside.
I'm
Steph-
worried a little bit.
Definitely spooky.
And
Like-
I said, honey, you first talk.
Yes.
I prayed.
I had to take the lead in front and yeah, now we're going to explore the rest. It's definitely
So bad prisoner room, so small, so dark. The prisoner couldn't move inside room because was
what is so small. Oh, like having the handcuffs on their feet.
yes.
Yes, and up to 40 people was in this small room. 40 people in one small room, guys.
But sometimes 100 people, however.
Imagine in this heat that Hanoi has like 40 degrees in the summer.
Yes, I think it was so bad smell because a lot of sick people, so sweaty, so dirty, a lot of blood,
Open wounds.
yes. And by the way, today too much hot again.
Oh, it's okay, better than yesterday. I like it.
Yesterday was too much, guys. I couldn't walk. But today our last day in Hanoi, because tomorrow so early in the morning we will go to the airport.
Yes. And then we will let you guys know where we are heading next.
However, 100 prisoners couldn't escape like this.
How small they had to be to go there. I would be just stuck, bro.
And my, what is it, my hobby? Claustrophobic. I couldn't.
Yes, never ever.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Now at 4 o'clock in the morning we are waiting our taxi and go to the airport. Oh honey, I can't breathe.
Yes, we just checked out all the paid in cash and now we are heading to the airport to leave Vietnam.
Our stuff. Nobody. But Vietnamese people woke up so early at 5 o'clock already, usually. I think it's our taxi. Red. Honey. It's so good. Good morning.